Hello and welcome to Three Questions With. Got my buddy Kyle Guy with us from KG Law. Good morning, Kyle. Welcome to the show, my friend.
Morning, Kev. Good to see you again.
So, Kyle, I got just a generic question today because I know you get it because I get it. Hey, Kyle, I'm thinking about starting a business. What do I need to know?
Well, first and foremost is how much you don't know, right? I would defer to Socrates' famous quote or paraphrase, which is, the only thing I know is I know nothing. If you're starting a business, at the very least, you know that you're passionate about something, you know that you want to make a difference, you know that there's something that you probably think that you can do better, cheaper, faster, right? And therefore maybe help more people or help some people that are being overlooked, right? That's kind of what the entrepreneur does. He has like this spider sense, if you will, for what's going on in society and where things could be better. And then when he or she finds that thing that they're passionate about, that's usually when they give me a call and they say, "Hey, Kyle, I have this idea." And from there, we flush it out. The first thing that I try to do is flush out the seriousness, because I can spend all day talking to people about their ideas, and ideas are only a very small part of the formula, right? The biggest part of the formula is action. So as we say in my firm, I help serious entrepreneurs turn their ideas into successful companies, right? So if you're serious about it, that means that you're passionate about it. You've probably done some research. That means you've talked about it. It's kept you up at night. You're probably putting some money behind it, right? I try to look at, when I accept a client, I kind of try to look at it like a venture capitalist investing in a startup, right? In that I want to make sure that this is a company that I believe in and that will be significant. Because then what I like to say is that the transactions that we do on day one, day two, I've really got to see some of my clients build exceptional businesses. And we're going from advising how to form their corporation and work with their accountant to make sure that they get favorable tax status, to now we're working with their accountant to prep their business for sale. And there's nothing better than to see a 7-digit sale price on one of your clients' businesses.
It definitely is. So, Kyle, if someone came to you and says, geez, how's KG Law different than everybody else? What would you say?
So first and foremost, how we're different is we're entrepreneurial attorneys. So I founded this firm right out of law school in 2011. There was more opportunity to provide valuable legal services than lucrative legal employment, I would say, at that time. So, I sucked it up, lived on my mom's couch, formed a business, and within 5 years, we were over $100,000 in revenue. And, now we're multiple times that, and we're not even a big firm. It's just that we provide a valuable service. So we bring the entrepreneurial mindset. And the law firm is not my only business. My wife and I, we have several other businesses. We own real estate companies, residential and commercial. We operate Airbnbs. She is a cannabis scientist and consultant. And then we also have a transaction platform that we're creating for farmers, processors, and end-use manufacturers, so we can really help digitize the grown in America, made in America economy. So we live what our clients are living. If you're thinking about, hey, do I want to do an LLC or an S corp? What are the considerations? How does the Tax Cut and Jobs Act affect that, right? Is your accountant really giving you the right advice and asking the right questions, and or have you grown out of them because you need somebody who understands more sophisticated philosophies? My wife and I, we have these same questions in our own business. And so I think that really is what allows us to connect with our clients and really separates us, is that our clients know that, we're living exactly what they're doing, and we see it. And whether we've experienced it ourselves in our own business or had to advise a client out of it, it's worth giving us a call, because we've just had so much experience over the last 12 years with thousands of transactions, hundreds of civil litigations that we've successfully resolved, and then the hundreds of businesses that we've organized and watched grow over that time. It's worth picking up a call and talking to us.
Which is the perfect lead in. How do people reach out to them, my friend?
Sure. The best way to reach is probably to give us a call. That's 978-228-1012. Or you can send me an email directly at Kyle@M as in Michael, A as in Adam, businessattorney.com.
Kyle, I appreciate you taking a few minutes to come on the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Absolutely, Kevin. Thank you.